Very leafy area of North London today, Harrow area, North Holt, I believe. Just done a retrofit at this place here. The project involves a Matadoor, high security residential entrance door. We've done 2 side panels with IntegralBlinds using Excelsior XR self-cleaning solar control glass. As you see, the glass got a very high mirror-like sheen to it that affords a degree of privacy. What the homeowners here were concerned about was people passing by being able to view from the street here into the hallway. So even with the blinds open there, and trust me, the blinds are open there, you can't see in through the glass that easily, but the glass affords a degree of privacy when the light ratio is at a 7:1 daylight ratio. The blinds are rapid raise and lower SwiftGlide integral blinds operated by 2 magnets. One there that raises and lowers the blind. As you see there, we've got our dress perimeter with a concealed slack in metallic graphite. When you bring the blinds down, you can tilt them using this control here. So as I say, this is a SwiftGlide blind with a fully dressed perimeter in metallic graphite that's gone into a RAL 7016 frame. The glass is a high performance sealed unit in its own right, boasting a U value of 1.01.1. The G value, for those interested in that, that's solar gain, is 0.3, and the glass is UV transmission by 50%. That's the light wavelength that would come in and bleach the colour out of the internal decor, furnishings and flooring here. So it's a multi-function glass, privacy, self-cleaning, solar control and reduction in solar gain. And of course, rapid raise and lower SwiftGlide integral blinds. As I say, the door is a Matadoor. If you're interested in a similar project for your own home, or perhaps a project you're handling for one of your clients and you'd like us to partner with you on it or to advise you on it if you're homeowners, give us a call on 0800 6102 610, or alternatively email us at sales@integralblinds.com. Don't forget to check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/integralblinds. Look forward to hearing from you very soon. Thank you.